Good morning, St. Mary's. I'm Colin.
And I'm Sophie. Today is our last Thursday schedule for first term with break, then C block, study time, lunch, and then fifth period. If you're not in fourth period, you should be.
Congratulations to all the talented musicians and artists who shared their incredible gifts with the St. Mary's community yesterday. The art show and fall music concert were both resounding successes. Thank you for an unforgettable evening filled with creativity and inspiration.
And now over to Colin with your weather.
Good morning, St. Mary's. I'm Colin with your weather, and it's going to be a chilly one for the rest of the week. It's going to be a high of 60 degrees today, and right now it's about 56. And for the rest of the week, it'll be about the same, being partly sunny and partly cloudy. But Sunday, there's a 40% chance of rain in the later afternoon, so stay dry, Panthers. And now back to Colin. Thanks, Colin.
And in student life news, later in today's show, we have the season premiere of Spicy Ones, so stay tuned.
And Panthers, final exams will begin in just 1 week from today. On the screen right now is the schedule for both days.
Students with 3 final exams scheduled for Thursday, November 21st may request to move one final exam to take place during zero period from 1 to 2:30 p.m. on Friday, November 22nd.
To do so, please complete a final exam change request form available from Dr. Troiani in St. Joseph's Hall across from the attendance office. Completed forms must be returned by tomorrow, no later than 3:30 p.m.
And Olivia from the wellness team has this important message to share with us in Studio B.
Hey Panthers, it's Olivia from the wellness team, and today's tip for success is to relax. Practice controlling anxiety by taking slow, deep breaths. And remember, in order to do well, you need to be well, and your overall well-being is more important than any exam or project. And in Wellness Week activity news, join us at the beginning of lunch today in the chapel for a meditation led by our very own Dr. Tierney. Now back to Colin and Sophie.
And remember, Panthers, you can find a copy of the Panther Prep and Wellness Worksheet in the Counseling Center and library.
Hey seniors, join us next Wednesday in the Shea from 10 a.m. to noon for a free Friendsgiving brunch. Come grab a bite to eat or two before visiting your teachers and studying for final exams and projects. We'll have food, drinks, and camaraderie. You won't want to miss it.
And the yearbook editors would like to remind all seniors to submit their senior quote for the yearbook no later than tomorrow night. Please check your email for a message from Mr. Mosby with a link to submit your quote.
Hey Panthers, please come join Inclusive Community for today's Brown Bag, Growing Up LGBTQ+. We will meet during mandatory study time in Frady's 323. See you there.
And in club news, food drive update, the Service Club reminds us that it is currently collecting shelf-stable, non-perishable goods like these for the Oakland Diocese Cathedral of the Christ the Light Feed the Hungry program. Drop off boxed, canned, or jarred goods to any of the red bins around campus.
And now here's Ahmad with your Panther Athletics.
Attention those interested in playing softball this spring. There will be a mandatory interest meeting today at 4 p.m. in Brennan 412. See you then. That's it for sports. Now back to Colin and Sophie.
Thanks, Ahmad, and a very happy birthday to
Elia.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elia. Happy birthday to you.
There's a global adventure going on in the Shea Cafe today at lunch. There's either beef bologna or vegetable option with spaghetti, gyro wrap beef and cheese on pita bread, and more. Here's the full menu. Five years ago today, Aiden and Lucas from the communications team launched a unique and unforgettable series called Spicy Ones, where the heat brings out the truth. In that exciting first season, they hosted several episodes diving deep into candid conversations until COVID put the series on pause. Today, we're thrilled to bring back the heat with the very first episode of Spicy Ones this year. So sit back, get ready, enjoy the truth-spilling fun. Hello, Panther. Oh. Yeah.
All right, good morning, St. Mary's. Today we are here with
Miss Galien.
I'm Mr. Riccardi.
So today we're doing spicy ones.
I've done this before.
I'm not sure you're ready for this.
We'll find out.
Starting off with the least spicy, Palo Alto Firefighters pepper sauce.
Palo Alto. It's a place.
Okay.
All right, for the first one.
Cheers.
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 That is quite good.
I like the yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Thank you.
It's spicy.
Really?
Seriously, Colin?
Hey, we're
As you
just like
might say,
whatever.
low-key mild.
So now we have our first question.
What's
Delicious.
your favorite book?
Like asking me what my favorite
Bruh.
child is. That's weird.
Yeah. Can you answer that?
Well, I will recommend a book I read this year, and I recommend it to you, North Woods by Daniel Mason. It is a crazy good book. It is the story of a place in western Massachusetts from like the 1600s to the present, and one of the characters is actually a beetle.
Whoa.
How about you, Riccardi?
Yeah, the best book I read, and it was this summer, was called The Trees by Percival Everett. It was a murder mystery.
Same theme. We got trees and the woods.
and-
What's the strangest take on a book that you've read in an essay?
Do you know how many essays we read?
Okay,
That's our job, is to read essays.
It's not, I think when people try to argue things and make it really clear they didn't read the book.
Oh yeah, can you guys tell when people don't actually read the book?
Yeah.
100%.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you
Yeah.
think I read the books?
Statistically, probably not. What are we tasting now?
Well,
Colin?
guys, now
Surprise.
we're tasting Mike's V. What is,
Jeez.
wait, what is this? Now we're taking
yeah.
Mikey B's Texas X's.
This is bad.
Kind of scud.
It's all right.
That's
Is
not
it?
spicy. That's
I mean, it's so garlic
It's
forward.
garlicky, yeah.
You have to
Vampires
be
will
really,
not like
really
this.
down with
Would you rather go to space or the bottom of the ocean?
Ooh.
space
Why?
because there's air there. Because I'd like to see the Earth.
You don't want to see all like the fishes and stuff?
Fish.
What would you name your boat if you had one?
The first thing that came to mind was Bodie McBloatface. SS Chubby.
Actually, what's the backstory behind Chubby?
Ooh, I named Chubby actually.
Oh,
It's true. It's
Well,
true.
I
and
named- high
Chubby
five, up
appeared
top.
out of nowhere. Do you still not know who gave you
I do
Chubby?
know, but
You can't drop the name. it's
we're not. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
the.
No, I don't wanna know.
The mystery is better than the truth.
Absolutely.
We're on your
I
team.
feel like I'm
The
not
ball.
based on the fact that
The
you
ball.
nearly died.
135,000 Scoville units. All right. Oh, he's right into it.
Oh God.
I can see the sweat.
I'm sweating a lot. I'm sorry. You have to
My
see this.
throat hurts so much.
Is there,
I was way wimpier than you. Like,
I feel so much better than looking at you. So sorry, I feel so much better looking at you.
My face is numb.
no,
Yo, why
that
does
was
my
great.
eye hurt?
Wait, brother.
Did you
man.
touch it?
No, I didn't, but like my eye is just tingling.
We can edit it in.
Yo, can someone please go get more milk?
I have more milk.
What happened in the last
Sorry.
week that annoyed you?
One thing.
One thing, yeah, like
Sure.
you're asking
You
two
can give
teachers.
us
I feel like I'm more focused on saving my body than interviewing you guys.
God, everyone has been driving so close.
Crazy, right? Crazy.
Guys, I'm shaking so much.
You're not shaking.
Oh.
He is. He is.
So
What's
many.
your dream job and what job would you be terrible at?
Or just pick one.
I tried to work
Yeah.
in an office once that did home loans and mortgages, and it was the worst. It was the worst. I know. I'm sweating a lot. I was bad at that.
I feel like being a teacher is your destiny.
Okay.
Oh.
Did you always want to be a teacher? No. No? Alright, what about you?
Questioning everything about my life choices as I sweat through my shirt.
What about
There's
Galien?
that part. I love teaching. I'd probably want to be a museum curator. That would be, because I'm really, really into art. But the one job that I know I'd be so good at that I realistically could never have, butler. I would love to live in someone's
concierge.
house and like clean their house and do all their cooking, but not have to have any
Museums?
No, like literally like live with some like super rich family
Oh,
and
yeah.
just
Stop
like
listening.
I feel like you already make the school environment perfect.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Well done.
I cooked that one up in the noggin.
Well, thank you guys for coming on.
Yeah, thank you so
Appreciate
much.
it.
I
Good
guess
job.
thank you. I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
Anything final things to say to the camera?
No. Read.
Yeah, read your books, you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys
Come on.
have to do it.
All right. Well, we'll see you next time
I'm feeling quite
on Spicy
nauseous.
Ones.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
And finally today is the gratitude prompt from the wellness team. What is a simple delight that I have been enjoying lately? It's right here.
And that's it for today. Have a great day, St. Mary's. Rawr.